Hello friends, today we are going to make these kind of beads earrings. You can see, look how pretty is this. आज हम ये बनाना सीखेंगे. So उसके लिए हमें क्या क्या चाहिए? First we need this color of beads. These are the beads. The size is 11 by 0. Second we need the golden one. You can see here this golden one and this golden one. Two beads of this color, and these white Frosciosa beads हैं ये. These are also 11 by 0. This and one crystal bead that is square in shape. You can see the bead. This is the bead. I can show you. I want only one from this. Second, we need thread, 0.1 mm thread, scissors, earring hook, and needle. Okay, so we are going to work with the material. We have taken this thread around 1 meter, and we are taking 2 beads of grey shades. Now we will tie a knot over here at the end of the thread. Just done. Now we have to keep it aside. We need this at the end of the process. Okay, take one bead, three beads are here. We have started from here. Now count the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We will take 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 4, 8 and 9. Now third bead, insert from third bead. Go. Now take one bead and start making brick stitch. That is very easy. Skip one bead, take one bead and skip one bead. Okay, so this is this. Insert from here this bead and from this last bead. Okay, and it is done. Let's cut the extra thread. Now we will make another row here. this is end. Now we will take one bead and insert from here. Go back, we will go back from here. We will proceed this till here. This is completed. Now we are making brick stitch here. Sorry. We are here. We have completed this line. Now we have to reach here. So we will go through this, down, up this. Proceed again the same process with this side. This is complete. Now we will make this hoop. Down from the other up. Take a golden bead. Golden bead, insert from here. Insert it. Now we'll go down from this side to make it strong. From this side and again go to the center bead. Okay. Now this is, now we will add, from this, and now we will add white beads. We will get some beads. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are 8 beads. Made a wrong thing. We have to go from here, then we have to pass through here. This is make a loop. Okay, so now we will go to this bead. How we will go like this. Beads. Again. Beads. Now we will add 50 beads to make this way. 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 50. See, it's here. We will put it in here and get it out from here. Make now for second loop we will take 40 and for third loop we will take 30 seed beads. Now we will get through this bead and out from this. Now we will get the needle through this bead. So for this we will go through this bead and take out from this bead. Okay. Now we will add the golden bead, the crystal bead and the seed bead. Golden bead, crystal bead and one seed bead. Get back through this bead. Get back through this bead and this golden bead. Get back through this bead again. Now pull it. This is done. We will go through this bead and tie the knot, finishing knot from here. And one more. Get back through the beads, several beads randomly to secure the knot. Cut the thread extra. We have a thread over here. Cut this to give finishing touch. This is complete. Look how beautiful this is. Now we will add the hook. Go through this and just press it.